Hey, my name is Connor, and welcome to Crypto Empire, where we dominate the crypto markets. At this moment in time, the opportunity to catch massive gains on the larger cap cryptocurrencies, such as anywhere from 20x to 30x on something like Ethereum, has already passed by unless you were buying it last year. So in this video, I'll be going over 5 low cap cryptocurrencies that I believe have the potential to 10, 50, maybe even 100x this bull market. So if that does interest you, be sure to stick with me until the very end. And if you are new to Crypto Empire, go ahead right now and smash that subscribe button down below and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And let the gains be with you. So to start out this video, let's take a look at the market cap overall. We can see we are over a $3 trillion market cap, halfway to $3.1 trillion. Bitcoin new all-time highs did occur. We're now trading at $66,970. Ethereum $4,800. We have Litecoin absolutely ripping it up today. It's up 20%, trading at $265. If we go to the top gainers, we will see that we have some ancient dinosaur coins being top gainers today, such as Bitcoin Cash as well, up 11%. Zcash up 8%, right? Neo. So we're seeing the legacy coins start to move. Also, Ethereum Classic up 13%. So we're seeing the legacy coins start to move, which is a sign that we are really in the thick of the bull market right now. So whenever these coins start to move, we do usually tend to see a market pullback. So be aware. Look to add during the dips because we are in a raging bull market and dips are for buying. That is not financial advice. But I just want you to be aware of what I'm actually looking at right now in terms of everything happening in the market. It is extremely bullish. The dinosaur ghost coins are having an amazing day. So take your profits is all I'm trying to say. Don't be too greedy. Secure the bag. Realize your gains, especially if you are trading, because you don't want to see those gains turn into losses if we do actually see a pullback here. But enough of this. Let's get into the 5 low cap cryptocurrencies. The first low cap that I believe has the potential to 10x to 100x is Media Licensing Token, MLT. So we can see that MLT currently has a market cap of $49.3 million, putting it at rank number 702. There is a total supply of 200 million, with 93.1 million currently in circulation. So we can see the all-time high is at 65 cents. We're down about 18% from there. Over the past 90 days, this has been charging up quite nicely, as you can see. From back here in August, it was trading at about 5 cents. Now we're at 50 cents, right? So it's already 10x, but here's the thing. It's still such a low market cap, and the fundamentals of this project tell me that it has the legs to go much higher. Okay, so don't get scared off that it's already up 10x. We're currently having a 10% dip. To me, dips are for buying. This is not financial advice. Understand that investing in low cap cryptocurrencies, it is very high risk, but of course it is also more potential reward. So like I said in the intro of this video, the opportunity to catch a 20x on a large cap, something like ETH, Luna, it could happen over the course of some years, but if you really want to catch massive gains this bull run, understand that you will need to venture into the lower market capitalization cryptocurrency coins, which is why I'm making this video today, of course. So you can see the exchanges that MLT is traded on. It's PancakeSwap and Uniswap. We'll read a little bit about what this project is about. This is not a fundamental analysis video. You should definitely do your own research if you decide to buy or sell any of these cryptocurrencies. Being that they're very low market cap, I strongly encourage you to do your own research. But we can read right here, incorporated by the German media company, I won't pronounce this. The media industry licensing content platform aims to provide an open new marketplace for every professional and non-professional content provider and buyer that incorporates broadcast, blockchain, and AI technology. Platform features include content licensing, content management, content marketing and distribution, AI subtitling, governance, audience participation, frame-by-frame video player, which is great. It solves 4 fundamentally important challenges of the global media industry, which are global availability, discovery process for buyers, complex licensing, and early feedback from viewers. So the media licensing token works as payment and contract signing medium, as community rewards vehicle, and for platform governance. So you can take a look at the website right here. This is the roadmap. You can see they started building in 2017, and they do have a very promising roadmap. We are over here in quarter 3, quarter 4 of 2021. You can see one of the items on this list is the launch of the official MILC platform, and then the launch of the MILC platform to non-industry users. So this will be happening soon. I do expect that to be a very bullish catalyst. And then you can see in 2022, which is less than 2 months away now, they will be launching the MILC marketplace for user-generated content, such as YouTubers and non-professionals. So I'm looking forward to that as well, of course, being that I am a content creator. You can see the team right here. Encourage you to do your own research. Like they said, this is a German company. They have a very large team. This is an official company, and you can see right here some of their on-chain partners, including EOS, Kylin, Montreal, Ferrum, and then some off-chain partners, some TV, telecommunication companies. They also have a stacked board of advisors. So this project does really check out to me. Some VC investors as well. We can take a look at their Twitter. They are pretty small, 22,900 followers. I expect this to grow. So definitely go ahead and follow these guys on Twitter. You can see right here, Crypto Burberry tweeted them saying that their platform reveal is going live in 10 days, November 19th. So look out for that. To look at the chart, we need to go to DEX Tools, and this is the chart on PancakeSwap, because remember, this is only available on PancakeSwap and Uniswap. So looking at this chart on a daily, we are having a massive run-up, and you can see that we are consolidating now. I did put this purple box on the chart. This, to me, is the demand zone, the most local demand zone, and this is from 48 cents to 53 cents, and price is currently in that zone. We also have another area that I am looking at, which is down here at about 42 cents to 37 cents. This would be, if we do see this price level, this is an amazing opportunity, even better than current prices. You can see all of the wicks going into this area. Now, in terms of how far this can go, this chart doesn't really have too much data. You can see the high on the chart over here is at 141. I do think this can reach $5 plus, putting it at a 10x from current prices and much higher. I would encourage you to take your profits along the way, and then of course leave a moon bag for that potential 100x. So that is coin number one. Now let's move on to the low cap cryptocurrency number two that has the potential to 10x to 100x this bull market. We're looking at TREZOR. So TREZOR is a KuCoin gem. It's already pretty popular, but at the same time, a lot of people don't actually know about it yet. You can see the current price is $22.90, having a dip today as well, putting it at rank number 471 in the market cap with a $116 million market cap. So still pretty small market cap coin. You can see the total supply of this, 10 million, with a circulating supply, half of that currently at 5 million TREZOR coins. You can see the all-time high is $31.70. That was 6 months ago in May, during the last bull market that we had within the overall bull market we're experiencing to this day. The all-time low we had 8 months ago, that was at 63 cents. That was an amazing opportunity. If you look at the markets to buy TREZOR, you're looking at KuCoin mainly. You can also buy it on PancakeSwap, but KuCoin is definitely the easiest. If you want to sign up for KuCoin or you don't know how to use it, I made a full KuCoin tutorial. I will leave a card right here. Now, like I said, we're not going to be covering too in-depth fundamentals in this video, but we can read very briefly. TREZOR, trustworthy and reliable, intelligent, autonomous systems. In all platform supported, native application compatible, smart contract execution platform, development framework, and collaborating ecosystem, TREZOR aims to define a new generation, all platform supported public chain system, trustworthy and reliable, intelligent, autonomous systems. Make people trust in machines. So they want people to trust in AI. The world is going AI, artificial intelligence. We already know that. Jobs are being replaced every single day by AI. So TREZOR will be, in my opinion, a main part of that going forward. Another AI project I'm very bullish on is Fetch AI. I'm sure you probably know that if you are subscribed to the channel by now. We can read right here the TREZOR white paper. TREZOR's vision is to build a trustworthy and reliable general purpose computation infrastructure where any system and software implement only expected behaviors. So we're not going to have any AI like iRobot with Will Smith where they start going crazy and trying to take over everybody with TREZOR, okay? So they want people to trust in AI. With TREZOR, we can root trust into machines with a firm assurance that the machines will deterministically do what they are told. TREZOR builds an all-platform supported native application compatible smart contract execution platform, development framework, and collaborating ecosystem. It has 3 subsystems. We're not going to be getting into that in this video. Check out TREZOR's website, look into their project, do your own research, but I'm bullish on this. I think it has the potential to perform very well this bull run. Speaking about AI coins that I'm bullish on, this is the FET chart. But let's look at TREZOR right now. So this is TREZOR on the daily price chart, and you can see that this ascending triangle already did play out. Now the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group members already caught this trade, and we already made about 25% on this. As you can see, on November 4th, I did post this trade. TREZOR had an explosive last week and is now forming an ascending pennant. Let's take this breakout on its next leg up. First profit target is $25, which is a gain of about 30%. So we took our entry, as you can see, at $19.40. Our first target is $25. Next target is $30. This is an active income trade. You can definitely hodl TREZOR in your hodl bag if you do want to catch higher returns. This, of course, is a trade for quick cash. But anyway, we already caught 30% on it. If you want to learn more about the Crypto Empire Premium Discord group, there is a link down in the description below if you want to check that out. But yeah, I expect this to be going much higher. If we do come back down to the $19 level, that's an amazing opportunity to actually catch an entry. If I go to a weekly chart, you can see the all-time high appears at 32. Now, I can pull some fibs on the chart. So by the way, for the entry, really anywhere 22, 20, 19 is best. Anywhere down here. And then, listen, if we have some kind of crazy sell-off event, I don't really expect that to happen. You can look down here from about 14 to 9 if we get blessed with that opportunity. I can put some fibs on the chart, though, because we do have some data to go off. And looking at this, we can see we do have the 0.618 at $50, 1.618 at 80, and then the 2.618 at 109. But really, the 4.236 is up here at $150. I definitely think it's possible. Remember, this only has a market cap of $116 million. AI is the future. Billions of dollars will be flooding into AI. I expect trillions of dollars to flood into crypto, right? Like I've been saying, $6 trillion total market cap, definitely possible. That is double where we are now. $3 trillion is a lot of money. All we need is a little bit of the spillover to flood into these coins, such as MLT, such as TREZOR, and then the 3 more we're going to be discussing in this video. But I'm bullish on TREZOR. That's my second pick. Let's move on to coin number 3, low cap coin number 3. One I've talked about quite a bit here in the channel, in my Telegram group as well, which is Safe Haven SHA. So we can see that SHA is trading for a sixth of a penny, 0.00679. Putting it at rank number 786 in the market cap. It does have a current market cap of $38 million. Another micro cap coin. Circulating supply of SHA is 5.6 billion with a total supply of 8.5 billion. This is again available on KuCoin, another KuCoin gem over here. So SHA basically is asset holding, asset protection for things such as inheritance, and it has a lot of other use cases. We can head over here to the Safe Haven website. So this is a DeFi protocol, pioneering decentralized digital wallets, inheritances, etc. The list does go on. So why Safe Haven? Military grade encryption and security. Multiple international patents are pending, recognized by the EU already. Maintain full authority over your assets. Periodic independent security audits and proprietary/exclusive FIDO2 hardware solutions. It is built on the VeChain blockchain, so it will be multi-chain. We can also read right here, Safe Haven is building DeFi solutions for safely managing, storing, and transferring your crypto or other digital assets like NFTs, passwords, and pictures and documents. Safe Haven solutions include decentralized inheritance, masternode solutions, wallets, and pooling services. Do your own research on this. Everything that I've done, checked out. This has been around for quite some time. You can see their Twitter, 22.3K followers. This is, to me, a gem that I do expect to do very well this bull market. You can see the all-time high. We're already 60% away from the all-time high that we hit 7 months ago at 1.7 cents. Now, if you think you already missed the boat on something like SHA, I do not think that's the case, not financial advice. I did post this in the Discord back in September. On September 13th, I did post this saying this is a low cap KuCoin gem. I think it's really going to pump hard. At the time, it was at a $26 million market cap, trading for below a penny. The entry called out was, or for below half a penny, I'm sorry about that. So the entry we did call out was below half a penny. And we can go ahead right now and look at the SHA price chart. And we can see that it has moved up a little bit, but realistically, with such a low market cap, only $36 million, I think it has a lot of room to run. So I did give the call out in the Discord down here, right? So, I mean, it already did pump up 100%. Right? We already caught a 100% move on it. But the best is seriously yet to come for this, not financial advice. I really think it's going to have an explosive bull run. Now, we are kind of consolidating. I'll drop this down. This is a weekly chart. So on the daily, we can see that we are consolidating and forming this pennant. So I do expect price to break out from this pattern to the upside. Now, in terms of where we're going to go, I do think this will make a new all-time high. So I can take a fib to the all-time high down to the low it made back in the summer, and we can put some levels on the chart. We do have 2.6 cents, which from current price, we're still looking at a gain of about almost a 4x. But I really think that's just the start. Then we have the 1.618 up here at 4 cents, 2.618 at 5.5, 4.236 up here at about 8 cents. And to me, that's really just the beginning. But if we do see this 4.236, that's already over a 10x. So I do think that's possible with SHA. Still a decent entry, having a bit of a dip today. Of course, do your own research before you decide to invest in any low cap, but I'm bullish on Safe Haven SHA. Now let's move on to coin number 4. Another popular low cap, but a lot of people don't actually know about it, is Multivac MTV. So Multivac is trading for 2.4 cents currently. It has an $86 million market cap, another very low market cap crypto, putting it at rank number 536. So we can see the all-time high is about 2.9 cents. And we can read a little bit about what MTV is, but first we can look where it's traded. Again, KuCoin, right? If you don't have a KuCoin account, highly recommend you make one. US users can use KuCoin, right? There's a link down in the description below. I also have a tutorial that I mentioned earlier in the video. So what is Multivac? It's the next generation public blockchain platform designed for large scale and complicated decentralized applications, right? It's pretty much a layer 1 smart contract blockchain. We can read right here. What is Multivac? So they have all-dimensional sharding, meaning their blockchain can split up into an infinite amount of shards, processing extremely high amounts of transactions per second. They do solve the blockchain trilemma, which does include decentralization, scalability, and security, and of course the high transactions per second and infinite expansion. Multivac already has a pretty big community behind it, and I do expect that to continue to grow as time does go on. So look into this project. Everything does check out from the research that I have done. We can see the chart for Multivac on KuCoin. So looking at this daily price chart, we can see that I've outlined some levels. We do have this demand zone all the way down here at 1.5 cents. That would be a blessing if we see that again. We do have this yellow dotted line at a pretty key support resistance flip level at 1.8 cents. And then currently we have this support resistance flip. You can see with these previous all-time highs. Price broke out, and then it went ahead and tested the support level, previous resistance level, did end up breaking through. We actually reclaimed, and now we're retesting the level again. So this to me is a pretty good opportunity for an entry on MTV for a trade, or if you want to hodl it for larger gains during the bull run. Of course, you want to take profits on the way up, but MTV looking bullish. To me, this is in an entry zone right here at about 2.4 down to 2.3 cents. After that, we do have some support levels down here at about 2.2, 2.1 cents, and then 1.8, and then 1.5. If we do actually see that, would be a great opportunity for MTV. Some levels to take profits on the way up if you do want to trade this in the shorter term. We do have the first one at 3.5 cents, and from current prices, we're looking at a gain of about 40%. So that's obviously a quick cash trade. And then we have the next one at 4.2 cents, and then 5.5 cents as well, giving us 120%, just over 2x. That's just the beginning for this. Remember, the market cap it's $86 million. We're expecting trillions to flood into crypto. So MTV has a lot going for it. Do your own research, but I like this low cap a lot for a potential 10x to 100x. Also looking at their Twitter, they do already have a pretty big community, and it is growing. So check out MTV if you're looking for a low cap gem pick. Now my fifth low cap that I think in 10x to 100x this bull market, another DeFi coin, is going to be Qrdo, QRDO. So it's currently trading for $5.33. It's been having a pretty massive run up, so we're not catching the bottom on this one. All-time high is only 10% away at about $5.96. We can see the price, $5.33, does have a market cap of $180 million, putting it at rank number 367. You can see the circulating supply is almost 34 million. With a total supply of 1 billion. So a lot of tokens will be released into circulation as the years do go on. And you can see the max supply is 2 billion, but only 1 billion are currently created right now. So the all-time high, like we said, only 10% away. So what is Curito? Curito is a re-architecting digital asset ownership and blockchain connectivity protocol. It's a radical new approach to bringing liquidity and capital efficiency to the blockchain economy. Curito has pioneered the first decentralized trustless multi-party computational custodial network. This advancement enables Curito to offer decentralized custody, native cross-chain swaps, and cross-chain liquidity access. So this is basically an institutionalized custody service for assets. They are partnered with MetaMask Institutional. This is backed by some pretty big VCs. I encourage you to do your own research in this project, but it's a pretty big one. We can go ahead and look at their Twitter account. We can see they do have 27.6K followers at this moment in time, doing interviews with Real Vision, so that's good. And follow them on Twitter for all of their updates. And then you can see right here, 10 things you should know about Curito. I won't be going through all 10 things, but I will brush on a few key ones. So the network is actually live. You can go ahead and you can do atomic swaps. You can put your assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum into your Curito wallet. Helps you sleep better because it does have the multi-party computational implementation. So this removes private key risk, which is great. It unlocks a multi-chain universe. So there's cross-chain liquidity and lightning fast settlement within this protocol in a layer 2, and enables institutions to do more with their cryptocurrency so they can easily swap between different assets, all in a decentralized way, all on their own native blockchain as well. It solves crypto for institutions, so it does have very good security. It gives greater control over how to manage and deploy crypto assets, including access to DeFi opportunities and the ability to trade and transfer assets instantly. So basically this is an institutionalized custody service for large institutions with billions to trillions of dollars, and it does offer individual custody services as well. So this is a promising DeFi project. They will be a DAO as well. Do your own research on Curito. Let's go ahead and look at the price chart right now. And like I said, it's having a massive run up, so we're not catching the bottom on this, but I still do think it has a lot of room to actually run. Now looking at this chart, you can see it is quite new on KuCoin, only been around since the beginning of September. And you know, we're breaking all-time highs right now. The all-time high, if I go to a 4-hour, was just about 8 hours ago, and we did break to the upside of this pennant. So in terms of where we may be going in the relative short term, I think we can see $10 pretty quickly on this. We're seeing a lot of action on this, a lot of capital move to it. You can see we already did hit the 1 fib extension. No candle close above it though, so let's see us break above this resistance. And then we can see up here, the 3.618 is right up here at $10. I think that's possible in the relative short term, really. But again, it's a super low market cap. So if you do want to hodl a low cap coin with very strong fundamentals, looking for a 10x, so a possible maybe even 100x, look into QRDO. Looking at current prices, you can see we do have a lot of demand down here at these price levels, from about $5 to $4.37. So any dips down here, this is pretty much where we did blast off from most recently. Any dips back into this area look really good, but you can see that it's pretty strong right now. We currently are using this previous resistance up here at $5.20 as support currently. So if we don't hold this, we have demand down here, but this thing's on a tear, and I expect it to continue to tear up, catching $10 in the relative short term. We'll see what does happen. Of course, like I said in the beginning of the video, if we do get some kind of market flush, all of these low caps will get a lot of liquidity actually sucked out of them, giving us opportunities for better entry. So that's why we take profits on our trades on the way up. So we do have those profits in stablecoin or Bitcoin to deploy to these low caps when we do see the market corrections. So those are my 5 low caps for potential massive gains for the remainder of this bull run. So the cryptocurrency market is on fire, and this is expected to go parabolic as we do approach December and of course New Year's heading to 2022. What do you think of my 5 low cap cryptocurrency gem picks? Are you bullish on them? Do you hold any of them? I would like to know, so leave a comment down below. And if you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like as well. And if you are new to Crypto Empire and you want to see more content like this, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on all bell notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And my name is Connor from Crypto Empire, and I will see you in the next video.